Stealing of catalytic converters is no funny joke, and sadly, Toyota owners are among the most frequently targeted. The explanation is straightforward. On the current Tacoma, catalytic converters are worth up to $700, which is a lot of money. Pickup trucks are frequently targeted as well because, due to their raised ride height, the valued pieces are just simpler to reach than on the majority of standard cars, making the task even simpler for the thieves. The manufacturer is aware that if you've previously been a victim of this crime, you might hesitate to buy a 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Continue watching for more information on the steps Toyota has taken to put to rest these worries. We now know that the catalytic converters on Toyota vehicles may be extremely costly. In fact, at a price of $700 each, you could easily earn an average monthly salary in just 1 or 2 nights by getting busy working underneath cars. It's true that any car with a catalytic converter installed is vulnerable to the crime. However, considering that Toyota cars account for 20% of the top 10 most frequently stolen vehicles, it's understandable why so many owners are on edge and may even be considering switching brands. Another model that has been severely impacted is the Prius. While we anticipate that the Tacoma will be a top target for thieves because of its high ride height, which makes it simpler to enter, how does the 2024 Tacoma address the issue? Toyota has chosen to pay attention to these issues, and engineers in Japan have worked to create a system that makes it challenging for criminals to access these products. For those who don't know, catalytic converters prevent harmful pollutants from leaving the engine and entering the atmosphere, therefore removing them on your own is not an option. In addition to being unsafe, it is also against the law because it violates emission restrictions. Since the 2024 Tacoma has 2 catalytic converters, Toyota has done everything they can, which is crucial because each Tacoma may be worth $1,400 to thieves. Oh no, that should be a secret. According to report, the original catalytic converter is still somewhat visible, however, it is located very high up in the Tacoma's undercarriage. Access will be difficult as a result, which should persuade criminals to quit up and go for another victim. Because the second catalytic converter is hidden below the turbo, thieves should avoid the vehicle unless they are prepared to perform a thorough teardown. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma is such a nice-looking pickup that it would be a shame for anyone to pass one up due to worries about thieves, so this is great news for those who are considering purchasing one. However, this is not the first time Toyota made such kind of initiative. In order to push the front catalytic converters into the engine compartment, the business came up with the notion of merging the exhaust manifold into the cylinder head in 2016. This rendered 2 of the 4 catalytic converters on V6 vehicles virtually impenetrable to thieves, whereas only 1 of the 2 was secure on 4-cylinder models. Although it only shielded the front cats from predators and left the rear cats vulnerable, it was still better than nothing. Our best bet is that the business used a comparable design with the 4-cylinder turbo engine. However, it's not yet clear if the iForce Max engine will follow as well. We certainly hope so, as it's no secret that catalytic converter thefts have increased recently, and hybrid cars are especially vulnerable to the crime. Likewise, Toyota Priuses have most recently been the target of California's most recent thefts. They are a favorite among thieves because their exhaust gases flow at higher temperatures than standard catalytic converters, which causes their cats to contain a higher level of precious metals. To secure the priceless systems, Toyota and others were compelled to come up with alternate methods, such as protective shielding. The Preventing Auto Recycling Theft Act, PART, which was presented to Congress late last year, aims to prevent thefts from occurring in the first place by requiring automakers to stamp the VIN onto them. In this manner, thieves will find it difficult to dispose of the pieces, and stolen animals may be identified with their original vehicle. The act is currently stalled in the Senate, and there is little indication that it will move forward anytime soon. In the meantime, brand new Toyota Tacomas will start appearing on dealer lots in the coming months, with the hybrid vehicles following in the middle of next year. There have been a number of new trucks introduced, including the Ford Ranger and the GMC Canyon. The most anticipated vehicle, though, is the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. A well-liked truck for a long time was the Taco. One could argue that the Tacoma is now more well-liked than it has ever been, as a result of it breaking into the top 10 best-selling cars in America. With aficionados anticipating enhanced performance, refined driving dynamics, and hopefully increased fuel efficiency, speculation about the forthcoming 4th-generation Tacoma has been rife. Finally, the wait is over. In Hawaii, Toyota unveiled the 2024 Tacoma pickup truck. And here's all the information you need to know about the brand new Toyota Tacoma for 2024. Toyota is moving its off-road pickup trucks and sport utility vehicles to the TNGA-F platform, the new truck version of the Toyota new global architecture. Using a boxed steel ladder frame, the Tacoma joins the Sequoia, Tundra, and other vehicles on that platform. Based on the Tundra, the Tacoma should feel lighter and more sharp thanks to the new platform, which could also enhance ride quality. The V6 engine will no longer be available in the Tacoma. All fourth-generation Tacomas come standard with an 8-speed automatic transmission and turbocharged 2.4-litre inline-4 engines, with the option of a 6-speed manual transmission on some models. A base tune is available that has 228 horsepower and 243 pound-feet of torque. The mid-grade I-Force engine is available in two versions: manual 270 horsepower, 310 pound-feet, and automatic 278 horsepower, 317 pound-feet. The I-Force Max engine is the best available. It is a 2.4-litre inline-4 and not the I-Force Max V6 from the Tundra. However, it does produce a staggering 465 pound-feet of torque and 326 horsepower. All engine tuning should increase fuel efficiency and give significantly greater torque than their predecessors. The Tacoma features 8 of what Toyota refers to as grades, the term for its trim levels. There are 6 models that remain from the previous generation: SR, SR5, TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, Limited, and TRD Pro. Trail Hunter and the Pre-Runner models return are the 2 that are new. Among overlanding trims, Trail Hunter is the best, compared to the TRD Pro, which Toyota advertises as being more Baja style. Think more about trails and rock climbing. ARB's Old Man Emu shocks, hot-stamped steel skid plates over the transmission and rear differential, an onboard air compressor, a high-mount air intake, and frame-mounted rock rails are just a few of the vehicle's distinctive characteristics. This generation will see another pre-runner. In order to scout the track, off-road racers drive pre-runner vehicles. For that kind of use, this truck has been adapted. Along with twin-tube shocks, 17-inch wheels with all-terrain tires, an electronic locking differential, and a front suspension raise, it offers off-road settings. The truck is a 4x2, though. The fourth-generation Tacoma from Toyota brought interior design up to date. It resembles the updates Toyota made to the Tundra and Sequoia in terms of appearance. With a 14-inch touchscreen accessible, it is more technologically advanced. Likewise, Toyota used distinctive trim and features to distinguish between various grades. The Tacoma adheres to the fundamentals of a truck interior: a large gearbox and large buttons. Despite the fact that it now has an electric parking brake, on initial impressions, it didn't seem like the Tacoma's cabin space had really improved. Even so, the space in back felt limited. The short 5-foot or long 6-foot bed can be paired with the 4-door double cab Tacoma. The 6-foot bed is in the 2-door extra cab. It's an option on the SR and SR5, while the Pre-Runner only has it as an option. Most Tacomas will receive an upgrade to a coil-sprung, multi-link rear suspension, similar to the Tundra. Leaf springs are still standard on the Pre-Runner, SR, and SR5 extra cab models. This time around, Toyota focused on suspension tuning to help distinguish the higher grades. The suspension configurations for the TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, TRD Pro, Trail Hunter, and Limited trims are distinctive. Electric power steering and 4-wheel disc brakes, which should increase stopping power, are also added to the Tacoma. Toyota hasn't yet disclosed technical details for all engine configurations. We do know that the maximum towing capacity of I-Force engines with automated transmissions is 6,500 pounds. For the I-Force Max, that decreases to 6,000 pounds. The I-Force Max has a 1,709 pounds payload capacity. Toyota claims that the bed has 7% more capacity currently. Having said that, did you find another reason to buy the 2024 Tacoma? Comment down below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.